Yeah, okay. So let me open the PPT. Yeah, so then now the next topic is we have to see this is a function pointer, right? Function pointer, or sometime it is known as a pointer to function also. Here, so remember this thing. Yeah. So function pointer or pointer to function, both are same. So what is the function? Let me take one example of that. After that, I will show you one thing. Yeah, let me open this Word file. Suddenly we are taking, suppose I am taking x equal to 10. Here I am taking x equal to 10, one variable is there. And suppose I am taking one integer pointer of PTR here. And after that I am pointing, this PTR is pointing to which variable? Suppose I am writing ampersand x. So this is storing the address of which variable x. So whenever I will access this pointer, it will give you the value of x, right? So this is the very basic use of pointer, right? See this thing here. I am this pointer is pointing to this variable. So this is variable here. So this is known as a pointer variable. This is known as a pointer variable. But now I want to make it for the function. So what? Okay, I want to. So see this thing here. We can say here this is ampersand x. So this pointer is pointing to one variable. Now what I want to do? If any pointer is pointing to some function, if any pointer is pointing to some function, then this function is known as a pointer function. Clear? If this pointer is pointing to one variable, then it is a pointer variable. If it is a array, then it is a pointer array. But if it is a some function, suppose if I am writing some function over here, so this pointer is pointing to this function, then this pointer is known as a function pointer or pointer to function. Clear? So like variable, like array, we are taking pointer. So now we will take pointer for function also. This pointer is useful in function also, right? So this is the very basic idea of function. So function pointer are the pointer variable that point to a address of the function. Clear? In simple word, if I will say pointer is pointing to variable, so it will store the address of variable. But this function pointer will store the address of function. Clear? So if the pointer is for function variable, then it will store the address of variable. But if the pointer is for function, then it will store the address of that function. Like other pointer variable, function pointer can be declared, it can be assigned and used to access the function by point to. Same like other. If I'm taking one pointer for a one variable, same like that we can use the function pointer also. Clear? So let me take one example of that. Let me open in the DOS box. Same example is given in the PPT. So you have all the code in your PPT. See this thing. I'm taking two functions. So let me take two functions, because if I want to assign one pointer to one variable, then first I have to take the variable. But now I want to take a pointer for the function. So first I have to initialize some function. So let me write two functions. Very basic function I'm writing. First function is a float. See this thing. This is the first function. First function is a float add. So this function is for adding the two value. So first value is x, second value is y. So in this function, two arguments are there, float x and float y. So whatever value we will give to this function, it will take the value and it will do the addition. So it will return the x plus y. So suppose I am entering 5 plus 5, so it will give you the 10. So this is the function number one. And let me take one another function. So function number two. This function number two is doing the subtraction. So here same arguments I am taking, float x and float y, and it will return the x minus y. So suppose I am entering 10 and 5, so it will give you the 10 minus 5, so it will give you the 5, right? So this is the function number one, that is add, and this is the function number two, that is subtraction. So very similar, two function I have taken. Clear? So in very first I am taking two function. One is addition function, and another is a subtract function. Now I want to take the pointer for the function. Clear? So if I want what we can say, I am to want to take the pointer, then what I will write to star PTR, right, like this, and this. But if I want to take the pointer for the function, then first you have to write the data type. What is the data type? See this thing here. What is the type of this function? Float. So here I have to write the float. So what is the data type this function? That data type I have to take over here. Is my screen visible? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here I am taking two functions, that is a float. So first I have to write the float. After that we have to write the star func. This is the name. You can write the f also. You can write the f, func. You can take any name over here. So I am writing func. So that is a float. A float. I'm the function. Clear? And in that, how many arguments I want to pass? See this thing. How many arguments are there? Two arguments. And what is the data type of that argument? Float, float. So here I have to write the float. But suppose here I am in taking the integer and float. So first I have to write the integer and second I have to write. So first data type is the data type of function. Here you have to take the name of the pointer. Pointer name you can take any like variable name. And in that, how many arguments you want to pass? Two arguments. So float, float. So just you to write the data type of that. So by this way we can declare the function. For the variable, it is very English. Suppose I am taking for the variable, then I have to write float star ptr. Clear? So this is for the variable, but here I am writing pointer for the function. So first you have to write the data type. After that you have to write the name of the pointer. After that you have to write the two what we can say, two arguments, that is float, float. Right? Now let me take this. Now see this thing. In other, suppose I'm assigning two variables, right? So it will store the value of that address. But in function, it is very easy. Now this is my main function. Now see this thing. This is the pointer. So this here I am this function equal to add. So now whenever I will write this func, clear? So it will work like as a add. So generally, when I am taking any function, we have to pass arguments like that, add like that. But now this address is pointing to which pointer? Func. So instead of add, you have to write func. So here see this thing, func equal to add. So this func will work, this pointer will work like as a addition. This pointer will work like as a addition, right? And it will give you the addition of these two values. I am reassigning this pointer. Now I am pointing this pointer to which function sub. So when I will assign this pointer to this sub, so it now this func will work like as a subtraction function. So same function, see this thing, same line is there. This line is same, this line is also same. But here I am assigning this function equal to add. So this pointer is pointing to which function add. So this value will go into the add function. But when I will assign this func to sub, then this value will go to the subtraction function. See this thing here, I'm in both I'm writing func, but this function will do the addition and this function will do the subtraction. Why? Because this pointer is pointing to add and this pointer is pointing to subtraction. Clear? So this is the use of, and let me run this. See this thing, it will give you the total. So first line will give you the 12.6 and second is the subtraction 6.4. Clear? So by using this, you can assign the pointer. So this pointer will store the address of this function. So whenever I will write this function and I will pass the argument, so this argument will go into the which function? Add function, right? So this is the use of pointer function. Yeah, pointer to function. Now tell me if you have any doubt. And same example is there in PPT with output also. Clear? So you can verify it. Clear? Now tell me if you have any doubt. And this is the syntax. First is a return type. What is the return type? Okay, this function will return the float value. So here you have to write the float. After that, star function pointer name. So just you have to write the pointer name. In the first, in this example, I have taken func. Clear? And here you have to write like this argument number one and argument number two. And if argument number three is there, then you can specify more argument also. If only one argument, then you have to write like this. Okay, so by using this, you can declare the, and for assigning is very simple. Just you to write the ptr equal to whatever the function is there. So this pointer is pointing to this add function. So whenever you are writing ptr, it will work like as a add function. Now tell me if any doubt in this, yes or no. So this was the last topic of your syllabus. Do you have any doubt? Yes or no? Or we will take attendance and we will close this lecture now. Okay, fine. So let me take the attendance and after that we will complete this session. Yeah, now it's a 4, 6, and 1. Rupali,
Yes, sir.
hey,
Yes, sir.
Komal, Komal, Harvi, Harvi, Kelvi,
Yes, sir.
Ruti,
Yes, sir.
Vishwa,
Present, sir.
Grishma,
Present, sir.
Aras,
Present, sir.
Raj Dave,
Present, sir.
Darshika,
Present, sir.
Ju,
Present, sir.
Chirag,
Yes, sir.
Raj, Raj, Mahesh, Mahesh,
Present, Ji.
okay, Shrey,
Present, sir.
Jiba, Shraddha, Shraddha, Esha,
Present, sir.
Rovik, Rovik, Keval, Navdeep, Bhargav,
Present, sir.
Abhay, Abhay, Kavesh,
Present, sir.
Ati. And see this thing,
Present, sir.
yeah, some OW groups are pending, some students' name in the list. So please WhatsApp me in personal. Clear? અમુક સ્ટુડન્ટને OW ગ્રુપ છે ક્લિયર એનું જે ગ્રુપ છે પેન્ડિંગ છે અમુક સ્ટુડન્ટ so please message me. Clear? OW I will tell you when I will take at the end. Clear? After one OW. So next as this tomorrow on the day next Saturday I will take. Yeah, next to next. And some of the students name are pending in that list. OW ની જે લિસ્ટ છે એમાં અમુકના નામ નથી OW ગ્રુપની. So please message me or call me. I will edit. Right? Yeah. So let me take attendance. Yeah. Aniket. Aniket. Abhishek is there. Yes, Raj.
Present, sir.
Jenil. Jenil. Nikunj. Nikunj. Prince.
Present.
Nancy.
Present, sir.
Happy.
Present, sir.
Hari Krishna.
Present, sir.
Vanshik.
Present, sir.
Shivani.
Present, sir.
Sunny.
Present, sir.
Hers. Hers.
Present,
Rishit.
sir.
Rishit na?
Present.
Okay. Deep. Deep. Avin. Meet. Meet. Vaishali. Vaishali. Saharasai.
Present, sir.
Vidhi. Vidhi.
Present, sir.
Kevin.
Present, sir.
Ayush. Ayush. Vidhi.
Present, sir.
Ahmad. Mohammed.
Present છે, sir.
Okay, Nancy. Nancy. Janice. Janice. Fanny.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me check the chat box. 50, 54, 19, 14. Okay, so Janice is not there, Hansi is not there, Ayush is not there, Vaishali, Meet, Bhavin, Deep, Harsh, after that Nikunj, Janil, Aniket, Abhay, Dhruvik, Shraddha, Raj, Kodasara, Tarvi. These are the best absent, right? Okay, fine.